Motivation, it's a feeling. Discipline is a decision. Yeah, because sometimes you're going to wake up, not feel motivated, feel tired, feel lazy, don't want to do this, don't want to do that. But that's where discipline step in. Discipline is showing up when no one's watching. Discipline is to train when it's hard. Discipline is to do stuff even when you don't want to do them. Because motivation comes and go. But discipline builds success. If you are waiting to do stuff when you are ready, you might wait a long time. So just do it. Do it tired. Do it scared. Do it unmotivated. Just do it. Be disciplined.